Welcome to our roundup of the best cold brew coffee makers. The top devices that help you brew smooth, rich, low-acid cold brew right at home. Whether you're beating the heat, saving money on cafe drinks, or just love a smooth cup that's less acidic and naturally sweeter than hot brewed coffee, a quality cold brew maker can transform your routine. We'll walk through each model's key features like ease of use, capacity, filtration quality, durability, and cleanup, so you can find the perfect cold brew system for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal cold brew coffee maker for you. Starting at number 5, the Maestri House Compact Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a smart choice for anyone who wants cold brew without taking up too much counter or fridge space. Maestri House is known for functional kitchen tools, and this compact model lives up to that reputation with a slim, space-saving design that fits easily in most refrigerators. Despite its smaller profile, it delivers a smooth, full-bodied cold brew with minimal effort. This coffee maker typically features an easy-to-fill brew chamber and a fine mesh filter that keeps grounds out of your cup while ensuring maximum flavor extraction. Users appreciate how straightforward it is to use. Just add coarse coffee grounds, fill with cold water, steep for 12 to 24 hours, then remove the filter and enjoy. Cleanup is simple, thanks to detachable filter components and the compact carafe. While this model doesn't hold as much coffee as larger systems, its combination of performance and space-saving design makes it a great option for individuals, apartments, or anyone with limited kitchen space. Next on our list is the VA One Keen Cold Brew Coffee Maker, a great option for coffee lovers who want larger capacity and reliable results with minimal fuss. The VA One Keen model typically boasts a generous brewing carafe, a sturdy mesh filter to keep grounds from ending up in your drink, and a durable design suited to everyday use. If you enjoy sharing cold brew with housemates or want more servings ready for the week ahead, this cold brew system covers your needs. What many users love about this model is how consistent it brews, producing smooth, rich coffee concentrate that you can dilute to taste or mix with milk and sweeteners. The carafe's design often allows easy pouring and secure sealing for fridge storage. Cleanup remains relatively easy, with removable parts that rinse clean. While it isn't the smallest model out there, its capacity and dependable brewing make the VA One Keen Cold Brew Coffee Maker an excellent pick for households or anyone who drinks cold brew frequently. Coming in at number 3 is the Junepick Cold Brew Coffee Maker, a solid mid-range choice that blends performance and convenience. Junepick machines typically feature a fine mesh filter system that enhances flavor clarity and reduces sediment, helping you brew a smooth, balanced cup every time. The design usually includes a large capacity carafe with a secure lid, making it easy to steep, store, and pour without spills. Users often praise how this cold brew maker handles even coarsely ground beans with minimal bitterness. Ideal if you like experimenting with different roast levels and bean origins. The straightforward setup, add grounds, fill water, wait, then strain, makes it beginner-friendly while still satisfying for experienced brewers. While it doesn't include any advanced features like integrated timers or built-in dilution markers, its reliable performance and solid build quality make the Junepick Cold Brew Coffee Maker a dependable everyday coffee partner. Is the Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker, a favorite among cold brew enthusiasts who want a well-balanced cup with simple operation and easy care. Primula has a reputation for quality kitchen products, and the Burke Deluxe model delivers a reliable brewing system with features designed to enhance coffee flavor and convenience. This model typically includes a durable, BPA-free brew container and a removable mesh filter that holds grounds securely while letting rich coffee concentrate pass through cleanly. Many users appreciate how easy it is to pour once steeping is complete, with spout-friendly design elements that reduce drips or mess. It's also known for easy cleanup, with parts that rinse well and fit comfortably in most dishwashers. The Burke Deluxe is large enough to make multiple servings at once, so you can keep cold brew ready for mornings, workdays, or gatherings. While it's not the smallest brewer on the list, its combination of capacity, build quality, and smooth cold brew results makes it an excellent choice for daily drinkers who want consistent flavor and simple upkeep. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Takea Triton Cold Brew Coffee Maker, a timeless classic that's widely regarded as one of the best cold brew systems you can buy. Takea has built its reputation on thoughtful design, durability, and ease of use, and the Tritan model hits all those marks with style. What sets this cold brew maker apart is its durable Tritan body, which is shatter-resistant, BPA-free, and incredibly easy to clean. The wide-mouth carafe and fine mesh filter work together to produce a rich-tasting, low-acid, smooth coffee concentrate that's easy to dilute to your preferred strength with water, milk, or cream. Its ergonomic handle and drip-free spout make pouring simple and mess-free, while the secure lid helps keep your cold brew fresh in the fridge for multiple days. Users consistently praise the Takea Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker for its reliable performance, long-lasting build, and coffee lovers' favorite results. Whether you're brewing a small batch for a single drink or multiple cups for a group, this model handles the job with confidence and ease. It's also one of the most recommended cold brew makers by baristas and home brewers alike for beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. And that wraps up our roundup of the best cold brew coffee makers this year. From the compact Maestri House Compact Cold Brew Coffee Maker to the reliable VA One Keen Cold Brew Coffee Maker, the solid performance of the Junepick Cold Brew Coffee Maker, the everyday favorite Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker, to our top choice, the Takea Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker. There's an excellent cold brew system here for every lifestyle and coffee routine. Which one will you choose to brew your next batch of smooth, refreshing coffee? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Be sure to check the description box for current deals so you can grab the perfect cold brew coffee maker for your home today. Thanks for watching.